Welcome to a little corner of France. We love starting our day with our walks outside with Chico. It is still nice and cool in the mornings. Sunrises feel very different in the countryside. This has been our first summer here in France and we are experiencing rounds of heat waves. Our grass has completely dried out and we miss how green everything was at the beginning of summer. Our dream of moving to the countryside has always been to create holiday rentals and a retreat space surrounded by nature, old stone, and slow life. Initially, there were many different plans, but over time, we started to feel that this old stone house could be the perfect first gîte. So, for the past few months, renovations have been happening in the old stone house. The kitchen was refreshed earlier this year. Now it's time to organize it better for our future guests. Most of the progress has been happening upstairs, where a new wall was built for the bathroom, which wasn't there before. The bedrooms are also slowly being updated and being made more comfortable. We have been to many different flea markets and picked a lot of interesting finds. It is going to be exciting to start decorating the gîte and creating cozy outdoor spaces. It's been really nice to see how everything is coming together. There is still a lot to finish inside the house, but we have also started cleaning and transforming our garden for the guests. There is one small lavender plant here, and it gives such a softer feeling. So now we are learning how to grow new ones from the old plant. A few cuttings have been planted into little pots, and we hope to see these little ones grow into new plants next year. So while the sheet is being transformed, another big project is happening at the same time for us. Our own home is being built from ground up in the extended part of the barn. We feel excited, but also a little scared at every step. Some days there's so much to do that sometimes it feels it's easy to forget why we started. So we try to slow down, take breaks, and enjoy where we are. Walking through the countryside, enjoying the views, or some days simply sitting under the tree, having coffee, and enjoying the moment. We'll be sharing every step of this journey, from the bigger renovations to the smallest finishing touches, and we can't wait to show you how this old house slowly becomes our first sheet. Thank you so much for watching and for being here as we take our first steps in creating a space for our future guests.